Hi, Doug here with Re-Mov. I'm going to take off some Dicor off of some TPO roofing membrane that has been applied about 6 months ago. I'm going to spray on the material, and I'm going to create a leading edge, start to get the material underneath it. And as I get that leading edge, all I got to do is spray more of the Re-Mov silicone remover. And now we got to get the remainder residue off. So go ahead and spray it. And again, using a plastic scraper, and allow the product to remove the adhesive from the TPO. No need to heat up the membrane. Simply scrape away. Again, we have Re-Mov, silicone, and adhesive remover.